Welcome to the WP Training Kit video number 27, How to Use Gravatar in WordPress. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to use Gravatar in WordPress. So let's get started. On the WordPress dashboard, go to Users and select your profile option in it. Here, a little below, it is showing your profile picture option. Click on this Gravatar link below and open a new tab. WordPress Gravatar site is opened, and you need to sign in first. You can log into Gravatar using your WordPress account. Go to your email account, and we have a mail from WordPress. Open it, and inside you'll see a confirmation button. Click on it. So now your email ID is confirmed. Now back on the Gravatar page. Click on this Approve button. It will redirect you to the Manage Gravatars page. So now you don't have any images. You can add one by clicking on this Add One by clicking here link. Here we have 4 options. You can upload a new one, or from URL, or choose from past uploads, or from webcam. We will choose this Upload New. Then this Choose File button. Choose your desired image, and then click on the Next button. You can crop your image accordingly. You have a small preview and large preview. Set the dimensions, and click on the Crop Image button. Then rate your Gravatar. Rate G is suitable to display for everyone. Rate PG is containing some rude gestures and provocating dressing and mild violence. Rate R is containing harsh profanities, intense violence, nudity, or hard drug use. And Rate X is containing hardcore sexual images and extreme violence. So set your rating and click on Set Rating button. So your Gravatar is updated. It is showing here with your email ID. You can remove the image or again change your rating. On WordPress also, you'll have your Set Gravatar. So that's pretty much everything with the Gravatars. Thank you for watching. In the next video, we're going to learn how to add videos and images to your blog posts. See you in the next video tutorial.